possibly be the best Apple Pencil accessory ever made? Okay? This little box package that I hold in my hands could possibly be the best Apple Pencil accessory there is. This is my iPad mini. This is my Apple first generation. I don't know why I just yelled. First generation Apple Pencil. This is super annoying, as you can see. This thing, it's magnetized, but it's super annoying because this could easily get lost. I've lost this a few times actually. When you're in a hurry and you just want to quickly charge or put back your little cap on it, you're not gonna wait for that snap. I don't know if you could hear that snap, see? The Apple Pencil first generation, it's the only Apple Pencil that works with the iPad mini. And you have to charge it this way. There, this is the way you charge it. How about a huge eye lollipop? Yeah, that's really cool. So, brings me back to, and then there's my point. You lose this, you lose this. So now, let's check it out, shall we? Ta-da, look at that. And of course, it's in red. This is a complete protection kit for your Apple Pencil. It comes with everything you need to protect your Apple Pencil. Okay, move that to the side. And this is for your charger or your cable, pretty much, to use to charge it. This attaches to the cable and this attaches to the phone. I don't care about this, I don't use that. This, I also don't really care about it. I mean, that's cool, it protects the tip of your pencil. That's cool, I suppose. This is cool for the tip, that's fine. I don't think it even fits. Duh, so this goes like that. That way, you use it like that if you want, rather than using the original little tip protector. I purchased this simply for this. So this part goes in there like so. Just like that. And your little cap goes in there just like that. And guess what? There you go. Can't lose it anymore. It's always there. That's brilliant. It's brilliant. It's freaking brilliant. Huh? So you want to charge it? Boom. There you go. You can charge it. You won't lose it. That's all I care about. I don't really care about this. I don't really care about this. I don't care about this at all, actually. That's all I want. So I paid around, what was it, $8 for this little case thing. Well worth it. Well worth it. Now, I don't have to worry about it. I'm always charging this, even though the charge is pretty good. It lasts a good amount of time, but I'm always charging because I'm always using my Apple Pencil to take notes and whatnot. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to pick yourself one up. Like I said, it's only like $8. It's a complete game changer. I hope you enjoyed this quick but valuable review and unboxing on the what could possibly be the best Apple Pencil first generation accessory. If you like this video, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment, hate, love, whatever it is that you want to do.